Are you ready to turn project chaos into calculated calm? Let's dive into how a risk matrix can be your project's superhero in just 90 seconds. First, picture this: a risk matrix. It's essentially a chart with two key dimensions. The horizontal axis represents the probability of a risk occurring. Think of it as how likely something is to go wrong. Rated from very low to very high, the vertical axis charts the impact, the severity of the consequences if that risk actually happens, also ranging from minimal to catastrophic. Now, let's populate our matrix. Identify all potential risks in your project. For each risk, ask yourself, how likely is this to happen? And if it does, how badly will it affect our project goals, budget, or timeline? Plot each risk on the matrix based on your assessments. See the different colored zones? That's your risk prioritization. At a glance, risks landing in the red zone, high probability and high impact, demand immediate attention and robust mitigation plans. Yellow zone, risks need monitoring, and green zone, risks, while still acknowledged, require less immediate action. Armed with your risk matrix, your team can now collaboratively develop mitigation strategies. These strategies could include preventative measures to reduce the probability of the risk, contingency plans to lessen the impact if it occurs, or simply accepting the risk and building in buffer time or resources. Remember, a risk matrix isn't only and deal. Regularly review and update it throughout the project lifecycle as new risks emerge, probabilities change, and mitigation strategies evolve. Think of it as a living document that keeps your project on track. By using a risk matrix, you're not just identifying potential problems. You're proactively managing them, increasing your project's chances of success and avoiding costly surprises. Master the risk matrix, and you'll master project management. Now go forth and conquer your project risks.